In the heart of Europe, nestled between emerald valleys and snow-kissed peaks, there exists a place where time slows down, where nature whispers gently to your soul, and the world feels softer, simpler, more serene. This place is Switzerland, and within it, hidden like jewels in the folds of the Alps, are its villages, timeless, poetic, and breathtakingly beautiful. A morning like no other. Mornings here begin not with the chaos of cars, but with the delicate chime of cowbells echoing across the valley. The scent of fresh alpine air carries the songs of distant birds. Soft golden sunlight kisses the rooftops of wooden chalets, and a gentle mist still clings to the rolling hills like a memory that refuses to fade. In Lauterbrunnen, the valley of 72 waterfalls, you witness water cascading from vertical cliffs, each stream a ribbon of liquid silver weaving stories into the land. The majestic Staubach Falls dances with the wind, and deep within the mountains, the Trummelbach Falls roar from the heart of the Eiger and Jungfrau glaciers, hidden yet powerful, like nature's secret pulse. Villages on the edge of the sky. High above the clouds lies Mürren, a village so serene it feels as if the earth itself is taking a deep breath. You reach it not by car, but by gondola or cogwheel train, and when you arrive, you find yourself standing at the edge of the sky, surrounded by a panorama of giant peaks, Eiger, Monk, Jungfrau, guardians of silence and eternity. In Wengen, the air is pure and the soundscape is one of wind in the trees and children laughing in distant fields. The village is car-free and the wooden homes are adorned with flower-filled balconies. It's a living postcard, untouched by time. Where snow and silence embrace. Further south, in the shadow of the iconic Matterhorn, lies Zermatt, a place where even the snow seems to fall more softly. There are no cars here, only electric taxis and horse-drawn sleighs. Everything slows down, and the mountain, towering and timeless, stands as a reminder of how small and sacred we truly are. As you sip hot chocolate by the fireplace, you gaze out at the white silence beyond your window. And for a moment, nothing else matters. Fields, forests, and forgotten paths. In Grindenwald, meadows sprawl beneath icy cliffs, and the rhythm of life follows the pace of nature. Villagers greet you with warm smiles and gentle nods, and mountain paths invite you to wander, to breathe, to simply be. In Gstaad, luxury meets tradition. Chalets made of weathered wood line peaceful streets, and cows graze lazily on sunlit hills. The village exudes an old-world charm where violins might echo from open windows and twilight walks feel like stepping into a dream. Hidden corners of peace. Further east lies Appenzell, a village known for its brightly painted houses, rolling green pastures, and deep-rooted traditions. Here, people wear their heritage proudly. They speak with soft dialects, share cheese made from the milk of their own cows, and dance to songs passed down for centuries. And then there is Solio, a painter's paradise. Stone houses cling to narrow lanes, olive trees sway gently under the alpine sun, and every shadow, every breeze feels like poetry. Even the silence here has texture, depth, soul. Where simplicity becomes sanctuary. In Braunwald, another car-free village, you'll find wildflowers painting the hillsides, wooden benches overlooking valleys that stretch endlessly, and a stillness that enters your bones. Everywhere you go in these Swiss villages, you feel as though you are walking through a fairy tale. Yet, it's real. So beautifully, breathtakingly real. The soul of Switzerland. What makes these villages so special isn't just their beauty, it's the harmony. The quiet cooperation between humans and nature. The respect for tradition, for seasons, for simplicity. Here, life isn't measured by speed, but by presence, by the warmth of a handmade quilt, by the aroma of bread baking in a family kitchen, by the slow, sacred rhythm of the earth. You come here to disconnect, and yet you find yourself more deeply connected than ever. A whisper from the mountains. If one day your heart grows heavy, if the noise of the world becomes too loud, if you long for a place where the soul can breathe again, let these villages call you. Let the sound of waterfalls soothe you. Let the winds of the Alps carry away your worries. And let the simplicity of wooden homes and smiling strangers remind you what it means to live. Final thoughts. In the end, perhaps what we seek is not more, but less. Less noise, less rush, less distraction. And in that less, we find more than we ever imagined. Peace, beauty, truth. So come, let your journey take you through the quiet roads of Switzerland. Let your spirit walk beside streams, rest beneath pines, and sleep beneath stars. Because in these villages, time stands still, and the heart remembers how to feel.